you doing?
So, hello, ma'am. Good evening. How are you doing?
Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
We're also doing excellent, ma'am. Thank you so much for asking. So, ma'am,
Thank-
as we are meeting very first time, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Kusum. I hail from Haryana. I hold a master's degree in business administration along with a diploma in software. Currently, I am a homemaker and I have two younger kids. Recently, I have started reading books and teaching young children. That's all about me.
Okay, nice introduction. So, ma'am, can I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure. I would love to know more about you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm so thankful to you as you have given me this golden opportunity. So, I'm also curious to give my introduction in front of you. So this is Maliha Masud. I study in 8th standard. If I talk my family, so my family consists of 4 members. They're my parents, me, and my brother. If I talk about us, so we are siblings as well as we are twins. And if I talk about our leisure time, so we are so interested to make blog video and conversation video. Apart from these, we are so adhere our study and we are belong to Bangladesh. So this is it about me.
Yeah, good to know. So, what's your name? Muwaz Mahila. Am I pronouncing right?
Yes, ma'am, you pronounced it correct.
Okay. So, what do you do? In which class do you study?
Yes, ma'am, I mentioned you that we are studying 8th standard.
Eighth standard. Okay, you both are in eighth standard.
Yes, ma'am, we are siblings as well as we are twins. So this is a very great reason behind it.
Okay, that's great. So, I have heard a lot about twins. Like, do you share some similarities? You have same preferences, or like one of you gets sick, then other will also get sick. So, does it happen with you?
Yeah, one thing I'd like to tell you, ma'am, that I'm boy and she's a girl. So that's why sometimes it become, unfortunately, it becomes seems that when I write my writing match with her reading style also same to my reading style. But you can say as we are boy and girl, so most of the things are different. Even although we are twins.
Okay, so you both speak fluently. How long have you been speaking English?
Yeah, ma'am, we forgot to tell you that we have been learning this language more than 1 year. And before 1 year, we have started our journey to learn this language. And what about you?
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I have embarked on this journey about 10 or 11 months ago. So at that time, I was not able to form sentences, and I used to take classes on English Shari. So now I do my practice. So I am improving day by day.
Yes, ma'am, I think you're really enhancing your spoken English and nowadays you can speak in English better. You're really a fluent English speaker, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. But your fluency is remarkable, and your accent is captivating. So how did you gain that accent?
Yeah, ma'am. For getting this type of accent, we're not doing too much. Thing that we're all time we're trying to speak English at our home. All time we don't speak in our mother tongue. We all time speak in English with our parents, with our English teachers, even with each other. We all time speak English. So I think that this is the main reason that we're getting this type of accent. And without this, we're trying to make some English blog video whenever we go try to go outside. So we try to capture this thing by making a blog video for practicing. Also, we are making this type of conversation video every single day. So I think through this that we have got this accent.
Okay, so you create vlogs. So you have already created an English speaking environment at your home. So that's why you
Exactly.
are speaking well. Okay, good to know. And my other question is, I forgot now. Yeah, you speak so fluently. So could you please slow down a bit? Sometimes I am not able to understand because of a difference of accent. I hope you don't mind.
Okay, no problem. But this is our slowest mood. I mean that we are speaking too slowest.
Okay, so you
Yes,
are speaking. So when it comes to fast, then how do you speak?
We speak fluently. That we have make so many vlogs. We don't upload them on our Facebook page. So most of the people are comment that you should speak slow. But how will I make them understand that I'm speaking so slower?
Okay, no problem at all. I'm trying to understand you. What are you saying? Okay, so do you have any question for me?
Yeah, ma'am. We are really exciting to ask you a lot of questions. So first of all, I want to ask you that what are we doing every single day to improve your spoken English?
I listen to Priyanka Chopra. I listen to Beer Biceps, and I watch English news first post. So that's all I am doing. But sometimes I don't get time because I am always occupied with my kids. My kids are younger. My elder one is 9, and younger one is 2 years older. So it is very difficult with her to manage everything. I wanted to connect with you in the morning. I said my mother, please take them outside so that I can have session with you peacefully. So my mother took them outside twice, but we couldn't make it out, unfortunately, but no problem. So yeah, I'm doing this and I'm doing my practice, but I'm not regular with it. With it, I take one session a week.
Oh,
And
that's good.
apart from that, I'm not into writing and reading, but recently I have started reading. So that's all what I'm doing for learning this language. So what practices are you both doing for learning this language? I think you already have a good command.
Yes, already we can speak in English better. It's not nothing we can speak so fantastically, but as we're trying best. But nowadays we don't do any other thing for learning English. But one thing my brother mentioned you that at our home, at our house, at our school, we have created an environment. So like this way, we always speak each other, and we don't use our mother tongue. Nowadays, I'm also trying much more to change my accent so that I can speak in English better like Muwaj, like native speaker. This is my goal that I one day I will achieve it. And if I talk about previous times, so in that time it was really difficult task for us to enhance our spoken English to manage all the things. As you know that we are studying 8th standard. As a student, we must have to adhere our study. So apart from this, we have to upload video on our Facebook page, on our YouTube channel, and most of the time when we get leisure time, especially then we have to make some blog video. It is really helpful for us. And nowadays, we're connecting with different people for for especially having conversation. And last couple of days we didn't take any kind of session, so this is our first conversation. We're so delighted, we can't express our minds, what really we're so happy.
Okay, great, great. So you both are too young and you are in 8th standard. So what motivates you to learn this language?
Nobody motivated us, ma'am. Actually, it has come our in our mind that really we have to learn this language as a global international language. So, as a language, we must have to learn it. So, you know that I think you don't know that we are belong to rural area, so there is no kind of environment to learn this language. People are no interest about it. They don't know especially that what's the importance of learning English, and they have no environment. Especially, like some people, they are always criticize that these are not great way. These are really wrong way. So some people they this is called criticism. So we are avoid all time. And nowadays we have overcome a lot of things really.
So do your parents speak in English with you?
Yeah, in the previous time, they couldn't speak a single sentences. They know grammar and tenses, other things, but they couldn't speak a single sentence or word. But because of us, because of practicing with us, they can speak a little bit.
Oh, that's amazing. So like do your friends speak in English? Are they comfortable with both of you?
Yeah, exactly. They are comfortable. They are habit of this.
Oh, that's great. So, what are the famous places in Bangladesh? I have never been there, but it is on my bucket list. Whenever I get any chance, definitely I'll go over there. So, would you love to tell me about Bangladesh?
Yeah, sure, sure. Why not? You know that our country's natives is Bangladesh, and it's a too small country, but it has a large population. About more than 180 million people live in this small country. So there are different type of religions. People live here together very peacefully. Truly speaking, there are 64 districts and 8 divisions truly, and Cox's City is the number one. I can say longest city in the world, and you can even visit it. And I think I have also great passion to visit there. Also, we can visit Kolkata, also, we can visit in Silla Japlong. So without this, there are so many, you can say, tourist spot in our capital, Dhaka. So I think if you have any a great passion to come here, you should visit this our place, and I think that you must meet with us.
Yeah, sure, sure. So, okay, if you get any chance to travel the world, where would you like to visit and why?
Sorry, we couldn't understand you. Could you please repeat again?
Yeah, sure. If you get any chance to travel around the world, where would you like to go and why?
Oh, okay, okay. So, first of all, one country or more than one country? I mean, multiple countries.
One country,
Oh, one country. So definitely United States.
United States. Why?
You know that it's the most powerful country in the world militarily, and it has also a great view. Also, you can say that I want to go to New York to see the, you can say, Statue of Liberty. Also, I want to go to California for watching Apple Park and the headquarters of Google.
Oh, great. Even I love, even I want to explore seven wonders of the world. And you told me one of them. Which one? Now you told
Uh,
me one of
Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty. Yeah, I think it is in Seven Wonders.
Yeah, exactly. Under Taj Mahal, also you can say Great Wall of China, Pyramid, and Eiffel Tower.
Okay, and Machu Picchu. Yeah,
Uh,
and
maybe,
Colosseum.
maybe I don't know exactly. I forgot this.
Okay, okay, no problem. So I have seen one of them, Taj Mahal, but I love to explore six of them as well. So
Oh,
are you
so you,
excited about? Do you want to see seven wonders of the world?
yeah, definitely. We have a great passion to go there. Whenever we try to go India, if we get opportunity, we must visit Taj Mahal, and then we visit the other countries like Great Walls of China, a pyramid, also Eiffel Tower in France, which was the great.
Yes, this
So
is
you know,
our strong.
yeah, go on.
So,
Go.
ma'am,
You were saying
have you? Sorry.
Mahila was saying something.
Yes, I have told that really it is our strong desire. One day we will achieve it really.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
So, ma'am, have you ever gone to Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have visited Taj Mahal about 4 years ago.
Oh, for one time or two times?
One time, and
Oh,
it's so beautiful and magnificent, and it's a completely scenic place. When I went over there, then I clicked lots of pictures with my family, and still I am feeling nostalgic because now I am reminding, yeah, my experience was amazing over there. And you must visit Taj Mahal.
yeah, exactly. We have a great passion, and we'll make so many video there, and we'll explore the world. You can say whole India, and I think that this it would be really good, very good. So, ma'am, if you have any question, you can ask me or my sister.
Yeah, sure, sure. So I asked, you both are twins and you speak fluently. So when you started your journey about a year ago, that time you do practice every day?
No, not at all. Actually, this is our unfortunate that in the previous time we couldn't make this type of session. We couldn't, you can say, make blog video and speak all time at home. That's why I think that if we beside our study, it's really very difficult to handle our spoken English. But still, we're doing this. But in the previous time, we couldn't speak every single day. We just after 2 or 3 days we speak whenever we get time or whenever we take a specific time. But I think that if we in that time, if we start our spoken English every single day, practice our spoken English, so I think that I need 2 or 3 months to learn this language.
So what do you want to become in future? Have you ever thought of it?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. In the you can say that those who are still childhood, they have a great passion to become. They have already set up their goals. So still, I have set up my goals as I want to become an engineer in future.
What about you, Mahila?
Ma'am, I think you're pronouncing it wrong. Actually, it will be Maliha.
Maliha. Okay, sorry, sorry.
Now,
Maliha.
correct.
Yeah.
Now you're pronouncing correct. So you know that every human being has a strong desire, their goal. So as I'm a girl, yes, I'm so younger than any kind of person, but I have a goal. I have a strong desire that one day I will become a doctor. Really.
Okay, you want to become a doctor. Even I remember when I was kid, I wanted to become a doctor. But after that, I don't know. It was not my passion. Then I did my bachelor's in commerce. After that, I pursued my master's in business administration, diploma in software. Now I am a teacher. Recently, I have started teaching young kids.
Oh,
Okay, your goal has changed. Really, it has changed.
Sometimes it happens, whatever we plan, it doesn't go according to that, right? So no matter how well we organize, but it never goes according to us. Circumstances change everything.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
I think we shouldn't give up our target. We must have to go ahead all the time. Really, we can achieve one day.
Yeah, yeah, sure, yeah. Hmm.
So, ma'am, I have a really excellent question for you. So, would you like to share with us about some tips and tricks so that we can improve our spoken English more, especially communication skills?
You already speaking well. Even I want to learn from you. I am asking about practices. What are you doing? Like you are making vlogs. So I am thinking. I think I should start vlogs. Maybe I will improve my English. But you speak. You are doing excellent. You speak like a native speaker.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, not at all. We are trying our best. We are not perfect in English at all. If we become more and more fluent, because we are not native speaker, but we are trying our best, and you will speak very better, ma'am. Also,
Thank you so much. And I wanted to. You have been sending mail for I think for past a week, but I couldn't respond it. I wanted to reply sooner, but I couldn't make it out. So sorry for that.
yeah,
It's
no,
okay, ma'am. No problem.
it's okay, no problem. Actually, in this afternoon time, we wanted to make conversation, but because of this electricity went out in that time, unfortunately. So that's why we're really, really sorry for you. Sorry for that.
Okay, no problem. It happens because it was a power cut. It is not in our hands, right?
Yeah.
So it happens with everyone. I understand your situation. So no problem for that. Hmm.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can you hang up this phone today because we have to go outside for a study.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, lovely talking to both of you, and we will reconnect again. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
so
thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much for giving us
Bye.
your valuable time.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a nice evening.